Hello, my name is Morgan. I am majoring in Bachelor's of Nursing Science. I am a mother of two. I have Everett, who is 1, and I have Grayson, who is about to be 3 in July. I'm very busy. We have a farm, so we have about 400 cows and a bunch of land to plant. It's just been a crazy time of year. So you can probably tell I look really tired. I'm always really tired, so we're always very busy. I grew up in Henry, South Dakota, which is a small town about 15 miles west of Watertown and about 15 miles east of Clark. So if you know where either of those places are, you can probably find Henry, but if you blink, you'll miss it. I grew up on a dairy farm. Um, we had about 50 dairy cows that we milked. Um, Before we moved to Henry, I lived my first 10 years of my life in Rochester, Minnesota. So I'm from a long, long ways away. Um, we moved after my parents got divorced. It was for the best, really. But it's been good. I went to Lake Area Tech for a little while. I decided that I needed to go on with school, and I couldn't wait for them all the time, being that they only accepted a certain amount of students. So I came to Presentation College. I'm very glad that I did. It is expensive, but I think the education is absolutely positively worth it. I just want to wish everybody good luck this semester. I'm hoping to gain from this class a better confidence level of recording videos of myself. As I record this video now, I can just see every flaw of how my mouth moves and the way that I talk, and I just hope with this class that I can overcome some of those challenges. Anyways, thanks for listening.